All right, we're back. We're trying to get the food. We're going to try to get the creatures to go towards the piles of food. How can we do that? Well, let's do this. We're going to private void check food location. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to have I think a radius here. So public int food distance. And what we're going to do is for y, let's see, we're going to start with the transform dot position dot x minus the food distance, and this is going to be an int. Actually, we need to say y, not. We'll say y. So we're going to go from there to here. All right. And then we'll do the same thing for x is this x and this. X, and actually these need to be plus. Okay. So now let's do, we're going to do if game manager dot instance dot grid dot check bounds. And we're going to check first the x and the y. Whoops. So okay, so it's checking it. And basically, if grid dot x comma y dot food amount is greater than 0. Oh, sorry, I gotta say tiles. Dot food amount is greater than 0. We're going to say let me see. Oh, this is in the map manager. I'm doing this in the wrong spot. Alright, Control X. Let's go back to the character controller. Needs to do this. So, food distance. I gotta get that too. Put that up here. Alright, go back down. And we're going to say new location is equal to grid tile. Actually, we're going to say a new vector. We could actually do this. actually we actually say new vector 2. We don't need to say x. We don't need to do that. So and then we're going to say character states dot move. State is equal to character states dot move. Oops. All right. We need to do this now. Check food location. How often do we want to do this? Maybe here in here. Let's just say else. Else if. Hold on, wait. Okay, this is just decreasing. If food amount is less than half of food amount. Oh yeah. If food amount is less than max food amount, half of it. Right. Then we're going to say check food location. All right, we're just going to test this out. It's not going to eat. And what I'm going to do is move these eggs. Move these eggs more in the middle, and then move my camera more in the middle as well. Let me put you up there. Put you up there. Then let me take my camera and move it up here. So it's like this. And let's move the cell box right here. All right, let's play it. Do I need to do anything? I'll probably need to go to my creatures. What the heck? Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. All right. Unity was going to install that. Please wait while setting up. Okay. Let's say the distance is 10. Actually, I still need to check the mating. Not the mating, but the distance there. Let me start. Okay, we got some food amount. Let's just see what happens. See if they ever go towards it. Let me put another one here. Now it doesn't look for the closest one. Let me pause it for a sec. Let's click on the blue creature. Can I see how much food he has? Food amount, yeah, so it's less than it. Let's see, is he going towards it? Yeah, they are going towards it. You can see them moving. They're literally sliding to that food. So, cool. We just have to do the animation. Okay, so we got that. Now, what we might want to do is do this public bool is eating, right? Or is move to eat. I'll just say false. Let me just save this. Actually, let me go back here and save this project. All right, this will be really good progress if I can get the eating done. So you're doing like the major stuff. There's other things I want to do that you can do for the creature to make them happy, like, but we'll get to that. Besides just giving them food. All right, where was I? So in our move here, we're going to say if is eating, is moved to eat, then we're going to do a different else. We're going to do a different state. Oh gosh, this is acting up. No worries, no worries. We're good. Control X, Control V. This is going to be a new state called eating. I don't have one. So eating. And what we're going to do is, golly, my dog. Let's see. Oh man, this is acting up. Come on. Come on, I'm just trying to make it through the last hour here. All right, let's see. Move. So we want to do a new, quick. Let's add the missing case. Yeah, do it. Where did I put it? Right here, eating. So what we're going to do is, we're going to say, let's see, food amount. I don't really like how I did that. Food amount is plus equal to 1. Right? And then we want to say game manager dot instance dot tile dot grid dot tiles, and we want to do our int. No, sorry. We want to get our transform dot position dot x comma whatever that just did, y, and we want to say dot food amount, food amount is minus equal to 1, so it's going to take that away. And then we want to if this, and you know what, let's do this. Let's say tile is equal to this, and let's get rid of this here. And then we're going to say tile dot food amount is minus equal 1. And if tile dot food amount is ever equal to 0, then we want to say character states is equal to the idle state. So we're going to stop eating. Or if our food amount is greater than or equal to our max food amount, so we'll stop eating. Okay, so let's just check again. Check the need. Let's see, let me kind of close some of these down. Check food location. So here we want to say is eating. What? Is move to eat is true. But then we want to make it false if those other conditions would happen. So we want to say, alright, if this happens, we're going to say it's false. Alright, let's just double check. Okay, yeah. Right here is move to eat. We want to say dot eating. Alright, this would be great if this works. Okay, so try to put the food close. Okay, we got some food there. It's actually just one because it goes kind of slow. Okay, they're both going to it. They ate it. Did they eat it? Okay, that was kind of hard to tell. Because it probably happens quick. We probably need like a timer there. I don't see them going over towards it. I guess it's too far away. Here, let's do this. In here, when we eat, which we're probably going to need to, because this will happen fast. We probably need like a eat timer. Let's so if the food amount is equal to 0, actually we need to not. If the food amount is equal to 0, I mean we can do it here too. If tile food amount is equal to 0, then we're going to say tile dot food pile. We want to destroy it. Destroy this food pile, and let's just make it null just in case. Tile food pile is equal to null. Alright, let me go to my game manager and try to do the feeding a little bit quicker than what it was. That's under the mouse manager, I think. So let's make this 10. Alright. Oops, pushing the wrong button. Let's kind of keep it near them. Okay, they kind of move quickly to it. That's not bad. Now they're eating. No, it's so hard to tell. Okay, they're all going to that one. Ooh, the lerping is really bad. I mean, it's fine. I mean, what I'll do is, because if it's like way over here, and that's the one it went to, it might be okay. Alright, I'm not. Okay, let's see if the If it equals 0, then we destroy the tile food pile. Right tile is -1. Right now it's hard to tell like how much food there is. Here, let's do this. Let's change this to back to what it was, and then I know it's not that much. Maybe I just do one. Okay, we got one food right there, and we'll put one up here. Here we got one there too. Okay, they're both going to that one. They should have eaten it already. I'm not getting any errors. Let me go to the blue creature. Try this again. When the blue creature gets made, I'm going to highlight them and see if we ever get to the eating state. Idle. Okay, I didn't see him go to the eat state, so maybe that's the problem. Is move to eat. Okay, let's go back down here. Actually, yeah, let's go back to here. If is move to eat, so if I got is move to eat is true, this is right. It's not playing that. Hold on. Did I do this? Go down here. I didn't want to put that there. Or did I? No, I don't want to put that there. I want to put it down here. Okay, is move to eat. So then we go to the moving part. If the distance is this, if is move to eat, we change it to eating. Okay, let's just debug this. Debug.log. And we're going to just say eating. Alright, save that. Go back here. Like I said, if I can get this eating thing done now, I think we'll be in pretty good shape. Okay. Okay, it's not saying eating is true. It's never doing this. Why not? Right, when we're moving, let's so we're moving to the new location. It's moving there. Are we never getting this distance to target? Are we never getting close enough to it? Which doesn't make any sense. You know what it is. We're checking hungry, and we're checking the the food location if is move to eat if that's not. So if we're not already trying to move to eat, don't do this. That's probably what it was. Because it kept redoing the location. Really want to do it the first time. Alright, we got Triforces. Yeah, I think it'll be better if we get a little bit more animation with their bodies. Okay, there they go. They're eating. Okay, they ate. So we are getting eating, but we didn't see. We didn't see this disappear. I'm pretty sure this is like food amounts like 2. So that time it disappeared. You know what? Let's go here. What could happen is check hunger, food amount. No, we want to do eating. Tile that food amount is equal to or greater than 0. Actually, I want to get this first. Put this here. Okay. And we want all of this first too. Right. Check it first. And then minus that, I think. And actually we want to see if it's less than 0. Less than else. So just in case we get to the food pile and it's already gone. Then we're going to minus it here. So it checks it first. Let's see how that works. Which means only one person can technically eat it. So hopefully we'll see them both go towards it, but whoever gets there first should eat it and it'll disappear. Hopefully. Yeah. Okay. Seems to be working. Let's add a little bit more food here. We got 2. They are like bugging out there. Nope, still not working right. Darn it. If no, I don't think that matters. So this is less than or let's just make sure. Okay, we want this too. Because we're kind of doing like checking both of these. Destroy it. Yeah, so we're destroying it, but we really want to say that the tile food amount is equal to 0. So hopefully this will work. Try to add some food here. Now there'll be like animation that shows your hand sprinkling food down. Okay, they're both going to it. They're eating. Still eating. Darn it, darn it, darn it. What is wrong with this? So if it's less than 0, you know, I'm about to just separate this nonsense. Yep, let's just separate it. Let's take this out for now. Okay, if it's less than 0, we'll do that. So we don't need to do this twice. Just get rid of that. So if it's already less than 0, we're going to do that. Then if we... I just feel like this should be like... could be here. Let me do this. Because they can't happen at the same time. Let's just first test it without getting full. Okay. What the heck? Like it should... It's eating. And then it says food amount is that, tile food. If tile.food amount is less than 0, tile food amount is 0. Destroy that pile. Let me go back here. So right now I have no way of knowing. See, this is food amount. So that's debugging the food amount right there. Alright, let me save this for a sec. Go back to that. We're eating. We add a food amount to ourselves. We're going to take away 1. And then if the tile is less than that, we want to make it 0 just in case. Destroy that food pile. Tile food pile is null. Is moved to eat is false. Character states is equal to character states dot idle. Check location if food amount is greater than 0. I am kind of baffled right now. Let me get rid of this one. Well, I guess it was bound to happen where we run into something that might take, you know, an hour to do. Okay, right now we have food amount is 2. Maybe I need to debug the food amount for that tile. Okay, they're both going. Alright. Well, that was weird. See, it ate it. It did destroy it. But look at how many times it was eating for. Click the blue creature and let's see its food amount. Slowly going down. it went up 1. And then it went up 1 again. And then it went up 1 again. And then it went up 1 again. What the heck? Makes no sense. Alright, maybe I'm reading the food amount incorrectly. Let's see, where are we doing that at? Mouse Manager. Maybe this isn't correct. Food amount is +1. Well, it should be. Added the 1. Are we adding this food amount somewhere else? Find all references. Alright, well, let's see. Okay. Let's see what we got. See where the food amount is happening. Maybe I put it. Okay, tile is -1. Food amount is 0. This one is here. That's it. Man, doesn't make sense. Character controller. Here, let's do this. Let's go up here. We're in debug. Debug.log. Food pile tile dot food amount. Let's see if that kind of fixes things. Or not fixes things, but kind of let us know what's going on. It just doesn't make much sense right now. Alright. We got food amount. That's 2. And they're going. They were eating. Okay, let's pause it. It keeps saying -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1. Okay, so it has to do with when we come here. Destroy is eating character stats. See, if tile food amount is less than or equal to 0. Tile dot food amount is equal to 0. Hold on, let's see where it first did it. Food amount was 2. Eating. Food pile is -1. That makes no sense. I'm kind of stumped here. We're eating, -1, -1. I'm not getting any errors. -1, -1, -1. Just doesn't make sense. Food amount. Tiles. Food amount, food pile. Game manager. Let's see. Crab creature, drop food. Am I getting the correct grid? Tile is equal to game manager grid dot tiles transform dot position x y. I must be getting the wrong tile. That's probably what's happening. So let me change this distance. Let me go into here. Go to the creatures. So in the blue creature, all those. Let me change the target distance. What if we just set to 0? See if that can even happen. I don't know. It cannot happen. Okay. Another thing is, let me go here. Remember we have that offset. So when it does the new position, then where are we at? Remember it's at X and Y. Food amount. New vector. Let's just say this equals this dot food pile dot transform dot position. So let's go right to it. And then let me go here and change the characters to, instead of 0, go back to 0.1. So I think that's what was happening. It was eating the wrong tile. So let's change this to distance, change it to 0.1. Here we got one food amount. Let's see what they do now. Alright. That seems to be working now. Alright. We're just going to the wrong tile. Now they're going there. Okay. They just want to eat. Oh, no, sorry. Someone already ate. Oh, they died on their way. We'll have a transition for that. Okay, this is kind of cool. Alright, we can kind of... Let's sell you. Whoops, you dropped an egg there. We definitely don't want them to lay eggs while they're being grabbed. So, cool. You can see how many will go there, but only one will be able to eat. It's kind of cool. Um, we're going to have some issues later, but I mean, it'll be fine. I don't want to do like pathfinding or recognize that, hey, we can't actually get to it. Let's see what our stats are at. Yeah, not too bad. And this is kind of what I want. Okay, cool. It's funny how they kind of slide to it like that. But it's cool. I do like that a lot though. Just to see them all go towards it and eat. Like little creatures. Yeah, that's nice. Look how many eggs we have. We just need to do a distance thing. Alright, we're starting to kind of chug a little bit. Yeah, we're at like 30 frames. Okay, let's stop it. Alright. Save project. I would be kind of interested in how many we actually have. Let me do that real quick. So in our that's our lay eggs. So when we do this, let's go to our game manager. Let's say total public, total int, total creatures. And then when we go to the lay eggs, we'll say map, sorry, not map, game manager dot instance dot total creatures is plus plus. All right, and then when they die, which is right here on destroy, wait, what is this? And then we'll just right here we're gonna say game manager dot instance dot total creatures is minus minus. All right, and then in our UI manager, we're going to say money, and then we'll say plus slash n, or slash n. We're going to say creatures, and then plus game manager dot instance dot total creatures. So we can see how many we have going on. And see when it starts kind of slowing down. And then if it is slowing down, okay, let's start adding these things. So we got 2 right now. Let's just go to our mouse manager and change the drop speed to 10 so we can get plenty of food. Now they don't go to the closest one, so that's something we might do. Alright, we got 12 creatures. Here, let's do the drop speed even quicker. See what this does. Probably need to even do it even faster. Okay, we have 36 creatures. We almost have 100. Hmm. Look at that. We went up to 200. So we're getting still pretty quick. Now we're at 300. So that's when, and I don't know, like probably about to 1,000 is when it starts to kind of go slow. Actually, about around 500, I guess. That's kind of cool. Yeah, we're almost up to 1,000. So I think we need to have some kind of cap. That's cool. Let's stop it before we really start chugging. Let's stop. All right. I'm going to save it here. I think I'm going to call it a night. Thanks if you've been watching this. We still got a lot to do, but yeah, we got a lot to do. I think the next thing tomorrow morning, I'm going to get the building the fences and floors, and then start affecting the mood of the creatures, and then start just doing other things with the creatures, I guess. Yeah. Because I feel like there needs to be more to this game than just dropping food down and having them eat. And I think part of the issue is um, the every 10-second theme. Uh, well, I haven't really done money for the food, so we'll see what that's like. To where I keep track of the money and see how much it costs for feeding and getting that kind of done correctly. Which means maybe some of these creatures need to die quicker. Um, anyways, thanks for watching. I will see ya tomorrow morning.